In this video, I'm going to show you how to save money with Cash App. This can be super useful for people who have trouble saving and want a simple feature on an app to assist them. Cash App is a full-service banking and investing app. You can do peer-to-peer payments. You can have a card where you can spend your balance and even get offers and discounts. And you have this money screen where you have a cash balance, savings, Bitcoin, stocks, and more. Today we're going to talk about this savings feature. First of all, you're going to need Cash App. You can sign up with the link in the description, get $5 for free if you want. And then once you're all signed up and have your accounts connected, you can use this cash balance feature at the top to send cash to and from your bank account. And then basically everything in the app is connected to this cash balance. So I'm going to tap on the savings feature and I'm going to show you how to use this. So right now my goal is set to $1,000. I can tap update goal here and I can change this to whatever amount that I want. Let's change it to $500. Continue. You can select whatever emoji you want as well. I'm just going to use the money emoji and tap done. Down here at the bottom it'll show your activity, so I've played with this a little bit before. But now we can basically send money in here or transfer money out, and there's also this save automatically feature. So roundups is interesting because whenever you swipe your card you could use the extra change to be sent here to your savings. For now I'm just going to show you how to transfer in money. So let's say you want to save $5 a day just to get this growing. What you want to do is tap the transfer in button, tap the three dots. Then you can type however much you want to do. I'm going to type $5 and tap continue. It's going to scan my face and it's going to give me the transfer details. So $5 one-time transfer instantly, and this is going to move here from my cash balance. So tap transfer. You could also do it directly from your bank account if you don't want to do it from your Cash App balance. $5 transferred to savings, so there we go. $5 in here, $495 to go. So you could just come in here every day and move a little bit of your money into your savings account that you don't touch for the long term. And as you can see, that moved $5 from my cash balance. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.